me candy like the summer when it's melting in my hands. I know you're around like the ice cream man. I can hear you calling with just something in my ear. Feel like sugar.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be applying the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 320, and we're also going to apply the Instant Retouch Setting Powder. So when I bought this concealer, I went to the store the day it came out. I went to the mall. I went there kind of late. They was about to close. I got there and they didn't have much, so I had to choose between this 320 or they was talking about like a 340 or 345 or something. It was like very yellow and it had like peachy undertones. I was blown, but I did get to swatch it and I was like, okay, it's really creamy, so I like that. So when I got home and I was doing this video, I guess I completely forgot how creamy it was because I applied way too much. So with this product, a little bit goes a long way. It's extremely rich and buttery, so you don't need a lot to get the look you're looking for. When I use concealer, I'm just usually looking for that glam look. I like the glow it gives me. But if you're the person that has like bags under your eyes or deep eye sockets, or you're trying to conceal something somewhere else on your face, just know that you don't need a lot of it. But this product is definitely going to be the one for you. It's it's so buttery, it moves very quickly or very easily, very smoothly on your skin. So that's one thing I really did like about it. I would definitely recommend this product. All the other products I'm using in this video, I'm going to leave for you guys in the description box. Now with this Instant Retouch Setting Powder, again, when I went to the store, they didn't have much. So I had to choose between this shade, which is in Honey, or they had Butter, which was basically like a translucent color, something I already had at home. And they also didn't have anything for me to test on, so I had no idea what the consistency was. But I got home and it was very, very light. I really like it. One thing I love about this setting powder is that if you put on too much, which I did obviously because I put on too much concealer, you still won't get flashback because it's so light. So I know with like the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, if you don't use it appropriately, if you use too much, you will get flashback. And if you pack on a lot, you'll be able to see those creases on your face. So, but with this powder, it's so light. Once you press it into the skin, like the first layer, it melts in so smoothly. So I would definitely say this is a good setting powder for somebody that's a beginner. So I've been doing this new lip combo that I really love. I like to take my NYX Prune lip pencil, and then I just take my Beauty Supply gloss, and then I just create this really soft pink gloss looking color. I really love it. I would definitely recommend you guys trying it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.